Welcome to this lesson on past continuous questions. In this video, we'll learn how to ask questions about actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. This is an essential skill for everyday English conversations. To form a question in the past continuous tense, we use a simple formula. We start with the auxiliary verb was or were, then add the subject, followed by the main verb with ing ending, and finish with a question mark. The key is to invert the subject and the auxiliary verb, just like we do with the verb to be in other tenses. Let's look at examples using were. We use were with the pronouns you, we, and they. For example, were you working yesterday? Asks if someone was in the process of working at some point yesterday. Were they playing games? Asks about an ongoing action in the past. And were we studying together? Asks about a shared past activity. Now let's see examples with was. We use was with the pronouns he, she, and it. For instance, was he sleeping at 10 p.m.? Asks if someone was in the middle of sleeping at that specific time. Was she cooking dinner? Inquires about an action in progress. And was it raining this morning? Asks about whether that was happening earlier today. When answering past continuous questions, we use short answers. For positive answers, we say yes followed by the subject and the correct form of was or were. For example, yes, I was, or yes, they were. For negative answers, we use no with the subject and the contracted negative form. So we say no, I wasn't, or no, they weren't. These short answers are very common in natural English conversation. We can also ask past continuous questions using question words. These are called WH questions. What were you doing at 8 p.m.? Asks about the specific activity someone was engaged in. Where was she going? Inquires about the destination during a past action. And when were they leaving? Asks about the timing of a departure that was in progress. Here are more examples of WH questions in the past continuous. Who was calling you? Asks about the identity of the person making a call. Why were you crying? Inquires about the reason for an emotional state in progress. And how was he feeling? Asks about someone's ongoing emotional or physical condition in the past. Remember this important point. Past continuous questions always describe actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past. We often use time expressions like at 3 p.m., yesterday, or last night to specify when the action was happening. This helps make your questions clear and precise. Practice using these patterns, and you'll become confident asking about past ongoing actions in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.